This is a quick, informative video for teachers on how to use their KCS Google Drive with the Aspen Gradebook. Did you know that teachers can attach a Google Doc from their Google Drive to an assignment and make it student editable? That means that each student sees the same document, but as they save it, their name appends to the document title. Students can make edits to the document and post their own version for the teacher to grade. Teachers can also create assignments that require students to attach their own Google Doc, or for that matter, they can attach a PDF or a Word doc as well. Each student can submit their individual Google Doc online for the teacher to grade right in the gradebook. So why is this a great feature? First of all employees and students have a Google Drive that's provided by Knox County Schools already. It's part of their AD login process. Teachers also already know how to use the gradebook for their existing classes. There's no extra content development for teachers in another application. It's just as simple as adding an assignment. All students also already know their AD username and password, or they should. If they don't, it's their student number followed by the @ student.knoxschools.org. Assignments made always show in the Family Portal activity feed, and they show on the student calendar. So planning is easy, and they're already on the Family Portal right in the gradebook. So how do you begin? Well, first of all, you need to start with your Aspen preferences. Find your name in the upper right corner, click Set Preferences. Then click on the Communications tab. You'll see a button that says Add Google Access. Follow the prompts and add your Knox County Schools email address and your AD password. You must use a Knox County Schools email address in order for this function to work. Once you have put in the correct username and password, you'll see your Google Docs email right there in the box. Click OK. Now that you're all set up, there are ways to communicate these assignments to students. The first way is to attach the Google Doc or form to your assignment in the gradebook for students to edit. The second way would be to allow them to turn in work that they have already completed in their Google Drive. We'll explore both of these and how to do them. So the first way is probably the most complicated, but it's the easiest on the grading end. Teachers go ahead and make an assignment as they always do, but this time they need to click the box to allow online submission and put in their open date and close date. Then at the bottom, they can select their Google document that they're going to use for students to fill out. Of course, this requires you to go in and have something in your Google Drive. Once you have completed this, click Save. Now navigate back to your gradebook and find the assignment and click on the assignment a second time. Now you can see that you have your online submission, your open and close date, but you have a new link down at the bottom that says Make Student Editable. You will receive a warning that says if you make this student editable, it will create student-specific instances. That's a great thing because we'll get a copy from every student. Once you do click the box, you'll see that there is a student editable icon next to the Google Doc that you have added to this assignment. Then you can click Save again. When a student turns in the form that you've provided to them in the gradebook, you'll see the same icon in their scores line for that assignment. You can click on that icon and then click on the document title and actually grade their work right in the gradebook. Then provide the score and any assignment feedback that you'd like to give them. Remember, all of this is visible to students and parents in the Family Portal. The second way for you to use the Gradebook and the Google Drive is to have students submit a Google Drive online. And this is what it looks like here. Again, you can click on the Google icon, grade the paper, and then enter the score directly right there in the Aspen Gradebook. To set that up, this one's simple. Just check the box to allow online submission and give it an open date and a close date. If you want to attach any other resources, you can do that as well. As long as you don't make them student editable, they're just resources there for them to take. That's it. It's just as simple as that, using the Google Drive with the Aspen Gradebook.